Today I'm going to change the window motor on my 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. So I'm going to begin by taking this little thing out here. I'm not sure what metric might work, but a 9/32 works. Okay. You have to take apart this door handle trim piece, pop it off. They come out pretty easily. Then just give it a good pull. Just push the switch up from underneath, pop it through, disconnect it. And this piece might be tough to remove, but remove that. Set it aside somewhere carefully where this sticky stuff isn't going to stick to stuff. At least when it's hot out it does. So you just have to pull this speaker back a bit to get to this 10mm bolt back here. And then there's one up here and one over here. And I guess you just have to unplug this. And then you also have to get this nut inside here and here. They look like this, and they hold the window up. Okay, so then you just have to lift it up off of this tab and this tab up here. And then wiggle it on out. Make sure the window's all the way up. Maybe you need somebody to hold it or tape it. Mine seems to stay up just fine. And careful pulling it out from the magnet. It really wants to stick to the magnet of the speaker. And also there was a wire harness part right here that had to be pulled out of a hole. Besides that, it came out pretty easily. Now the motor actually still works on this. So this might actually be repairable. I'm not sure what this looks like on the inside. If something broken there, I'll have to take a look. Because I guess I could either put this aside and use it later or sell it if it does work just fine. So anyway, I'm going to put the working one in now. And I guess if the motor doesn't work on this, I could always swap it with the working motor and turn 2 into 1. Make sure the glass is in the rubber parts. Like these things here. Make sure the glass goes in there, and then when you put the nuts back on, it'll tighten the glass up. There we go there. Now let me just get some bolts and nuts in. Put the bolts back in the speaker here. Now you can put this thing back on and press any of the tacky stuff really well around. You could even heat it up a little, maybe sit it out in the sun for a minute. But it sticks back on pretty well. And this one's pretty old and torn up, and it actually stuck back on surprisingly well. I'm sure it's a good temperature, air, sound barrier. So the best you can put it back, the better it'll probably be. Feed your wire harness back through, connect your window button, and you can put that back in place, and then put the door panel back on. Carefully push these white tabs through the holes. Give it a couple good whacks. Put your trim piece back on. And of course these screws and the plastic piece back on. And there you have it. Screws are in. Pop this piece of plastic back on. And that is it. You are done. Quick test. And there you have it. Like new again.